Yeah, it doesn't look good. Not happy about it. Mmm. Man, something's so good sometimes you gotta slow down the chewing. It's actually good. Not being paid by anybody. I'm not being paid by anybody. Let's just say that on its own. I'm not being paid by anybody in any capacity. Oh my God. I believe they discovered MSG. This is good. I'm only supposed to do one bite because I gotta eat 20 of these things, but okay, it's not that good. I lied to everybody. I'm gonna say it's a 6 out of 10. You eat this after a party, and then you go to bed. And you sleep. But that's the thing. Are you gonna wake up? And if you're eating this, do you wanna wake up the next day? That's the thing. So it's kind of more than food, you know? Like if you're eating this, do you want to continue eating in general? 6 out of 10.